So I literally have to take all this stuff out and act like I haven't been using these. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Stacey Warren here with another unboxing, kinda. So I have some goodies that I got for Christmas. Some amazing goodies that I got for Christmas that I wanted to share with you guys before 2020. So I'm literally like rushing to do this unboxing because I have to pack up my whole house. Literally, well, my whole apartment. We just signed on a house on Friday. So I'm literally just like, okay, I need to do this really quickly. Oh my gosh, I don't have my rings. Oh my gosh, that's so much better. I didn't have my wedding ring. I didn't have any of my rings, and that was literally, I felt so naked. So sorry about that. Anyway, we're gonna get right into this unboxing kind of. And the reason why I say kind of is because, guys, I've actually been using the items for like a week now. So, and I haven't had time to do this video. Oh my gosh. So we're just gonna go in here and dive right into it. I'm so excited to show you guys the goodies that I got. So obviously this first bag, this little guy, I am so excited. So, oh, before I show you how the box comes, obviously we have the receipts in here, all the good stuff, the little VUITTON thing. I love keeping all my receipts just in case if I ever choose to let any of these little babies go. But this is how the box comes. It's so cute, and it's like a little pull through. And in this little guy, she comes in a little cute little dust bag. And this is my first item. She's my very first small leather good. This is the key clay in the Damier Eben, my favorite canvas. As you guys know, like, I love this canvas. But this is the key clay, so you can use this as a, basically for your keys. So you open it up. Oh gosh, how do I open this? I knew how to open this. Oh, there we go. So you open it up here, put your keys, and then technically it's supposed to be used as a key clay, and then you take the keys and put them in here to help protect your purse or your bag or whatever, and when you put your keys in there, so they're not scratching up other items in your bag. However, I actually use it as a wallet. That's what I've been using it as. I also got something for my keys, which actually arrived today. I got a text from my SA, so I'm going to do another unboxing for you guys. But I love this little guy. This guy has been sold out everywhere. Like I was looking at it at the Louis Vuitton store, online, gone. It's very cute, spacious on the inside. I know it looks tiny, but it's actually extremely spacious. So I use literally my cards all go in there. All my cards. Obviously, I don't want to show you guys my cards, but let me see. So I'm just gonna show you guys what fits in here, how I've been using it. That's how I've been using it, as a wallet / card holder, and literally my cash, everything. And then this little guy, just slip it in there, and that's how it looks. It kind of looks a little bulky when it has this little guy in there, so you can either keep it out or put it in, but it's very compact, nice, slim. Love it. In my favorite bag, I just put this in the little flap, and it's the little pocket thing, you know what I'm talking about? And it works great. So this is my first little item. My second item, guys, when I tell you I almost cried I almost cried when I saw this because I've been wanting this item forever. And the crazy thing about it is it's been sold out everywhere. And I even thought about getting this item in the pre-loved market, and literally people were selling it for like $600, $700, $800, when in store, brand spanking new, you can get one for $310. So it just didn't add up. I'm like, why would I spend more for a used item that you've literally used and it looks like crap, and pay $600, $600 to $800 in great condition, when I can get a brand spanking new one for cheaper? So this here, I feel like you guys already know what this is. If you don't, you're about to find out. But I have the receipts. Y'all already know I'm here with the receipts, okay? The receipt comes in here. And just like the key clay, it also kind of like a drawer type of box. And then obviously the little tag. Guys, I can't. I feel like you guys already know what's in here. I know I've only made like 2 videos, but guys, you should know what's in here. Look, y'all. Look, I'm over here trying to act like I haven't been using the mess out of this. I've been using the mess out of this bag. This bag here, the mini pochette in the Damier Ebene canvas. I'm so happy I have this bag. Like, first of all, look at how cute it is. It's like, what? Like, it's so cute. It's so versatile. So let me go ahead. So that's what it looks like, front and back. Comes with this cute little chain that detaches only on one end, because then you can like attach it. You can attach it on the inside of your bag. It's really handy, because if you have like a Neverfull, you can attach this to the inside of your bag, or like any other purse that you have, you can attach it just so that, you know, it doesn't get lost or fall out or anything like that. But then you can also use this as a wristlet. So cute, as a cute little wristlet. I love, obviously it comes with that beautiful red interior, and this baby is made in France. I can never get this to focus, but it is, let's see. It's made in France, and the date code, obviously you can see, oh, I don't know how to get it over there. It has the date code right here, that little guy. And gosh, guys, I can barely see. I don't even know. And the date code for this guy, gosh, I literally can't even see. It says SF 41 of 19. So sometime in October of this year, the 41st week of the year, this was made. So it was sometime in October. Guys, that's like, I literally can't. I've been using this as my catch-all because it's such a cute little, it's so cute. Look at her. So these cute little small leather goods, this is what they look like side by side. Obviously this is way smaller than this one, but the amazing thing about this is it's literally, I know it's tiny, but you can use this as a small little bag, like if you genuinely wanted to. Like for example, all my cards, my cash is in here. Jot that down in there. If I wanted to do like a lip, this first of all is one of my favorite lips. It's Morphe, and it's called Bloodshot by Morphe, matte lipstick, beautiful. Just drop that in there. And then let's say like I want like one of this little sample perfumes that they gave me. Oh my gosh, my SA first of all gave me all these sample perfumes, and I'm just so excited to try them. They smell so good. One of my favorite is this let's see, Au Asad. This, guys, oh, I wish you guys could smell this. It just smells like, yes, I'm securing the bag. Like, it just smells so good. So I'm definitely gonna be purchasing that perfume because it smells so good. But I got these 4 little samples. But let's say I have a lot of samples. I'm always getting samples. Like anytime I go to the mall, I always get samples because you never really know what you like until you get a sample and try it on yourself. So let's say a little, I'm like getting sidetracked. Let's say like a little sample thing in there, literally everything that you need. If you have like a compact, I have my little compact, but I don't know where it is. If I want another chapstick, put it in there, and literally got all my essential needs in there, and I could literally just carry it. I'm thinking about getting a chain, like the chain that they have on the Felici. So I'm thinking about getting that, and you know, being able to wear this. You could literally wear it as a shoulder bag. Like, it's so cute. It's chic. Oh gosh, I just can't believe I have this. So I've been using it as my catch-all. So I put all my 25 lipsticks. I don't know why I need all these lipsticks, to be honest. Like, I have my favorite lipsticks. So my Morphe, Bloodshot, and then this one I believe is called Unsettled, also by Morphe, which is, I have both these two on. So I have this underneath and then I have this up top. So if you're wondering what lip I'm wearing, this is what I'm wearing. And then I also love this Ulta Beauty matte lip as well. It's matte is in, guys. So anyway, all of those items fit in here beautifully. And then let's say I wanted to just be super bougie and take all my samples. I don't know why I have them in the little, I don't know. I like them. So everything fits in there. And it's just so cute. So I've been using it as a catch-all, and then with my little key clay. And the bag that I've been using, guys, I'm using my favorite bag with these items. Ugh, they just all look so good together. Look at them. They just look beautiful. And they're all made in France. I love it. So just to give you guys an idea, this little guy right here, I've been keeping him right in here. So let me just put it in there so you guys can see. So it fits perfectly right in there. And then obviously my mini pochette in there. And then I have like my little change thing in there. I don't really carry much. I've really learned to downsize. And then obviously I'm filming from my phone. So, but if I had my phone, that could fit in here too. And this is what it would look like in my purse. I could fit way more stuff in there. However, that's just how I've been carrying it. Like that. And it's really, I've been loving this. But guys, I am so excited. This bag has made my absolute life. So I'm definitely gonna do a what's in my bag. Obviously, like how I'm gonna do a review on how I feel about these items. Like this mini pochette, it's not going anywhere. I'm not thinking about selling this. I am thinking about getting it in the Azure canvas possibly, but I don't know if they're gonna make them anymore because they're like so, I think they're getting ready to discontinue this bag. So if you really want this bag, I would suggest for you to get it now because very soon they're getting ready to discontinue them. They've been discontinuing a lot of the items. They may be discontinuing it. However, I also could be wrong, but this is just to encourage you guys. If you want something, you can get it. 2020, we're getting everything that we need. Everything that we want, everything that we need. Yes, ma'am. But I just wanted to come on here and show you guys and share with you guys my little goodies that I got over Christmas. They weren't really Christmas gifts. They were, I guess they were kind of Christmas gifts, but I have another unboxing that I'm gonna do with you guys, and I'm definitely gonna do a what's in my bag, what fits in my bag, especially like you guys, I kind of just gave you a brief of what fits in my little favorite but I definitely want to do what fits in my Alma BB, and I'm definitely going to do a review on my Alma BB because I've been wearing that bag nonstop. But yes, I definitely want to talk about that. But guys, thank you so much for joining me on this video. It was so much fun sharing this with you guys. I have so much fun when I'm doing these little things with you guys. But thank you so much for checking my channel out. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit that subscribe button. I will be posting videos every single week. I know it's been like 3 weeks since I posted a video, but we're doing better in 2020. I'm definitely gonna be posting way more, and I'm so excited to get to know every single one of you guys. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.